What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Man, we're going to be taking a look at this market, and this is the S&P 500. And we're just going to be checking out this chart and seeing exactly where we could be going within the next couple months. So, as you can see, we're in this huge downtrend. It's a possible scenario for this market. Due to the jobs numbers, as you know, were way greater than expected job numbers that we saw. So this market is just refusing to go down. So they currently first break of this downtrend. So my speculation for this market could be a pullback to around the 4,000 area, because this would be first break of this channel. So we got to retest the lows. We do have these gaps down here around 3,800. We got another gap above that around 3,900, another gap above that around 4,100. We have about 4 or 5 gaps. You can't see them exactly on this chart, but all these gaps have to be filled. So the possible scenario, they could run up to the 4,200 area. So the Fibonacci is that would be 618, retracement of this huge push down. My target was potentially 4150 area. So it'll be a false breakout, and if we retest that area of resistance, that would be a double top. So it'll be a double test to confirm that very strong resistance where they are right now, around the 4145 area. So if they hit the 4200 area, I would expect to see some resistance, some type of push down before they go any higher. So I also want to show you why we could be going down because of all the bullishness. So I'm just going to show you real quick the VIX here, and we're going to see exactly where the VIX is at this point, because as you know, as a confluence with the VIX can be a tell sign of where this market could be going. So just going to zoom in here and see exactly where the VIX is at. So as you can see, the VIX is almost down to that 20 area. That's strong support. That's been a support since April. Even the beginning, that was around February, March. Now we're back here in April, and now we're back down here again in August. So we have not seen a capitulation phase of this market. So we know that the bottom is not completely in. They can push the market up as high as they want, but we know it has to come down because of the fears of recession and the inflation. So the inflation could be peaking right now, but as you know, the VIX comes down to that 20. I'm looking for a huge bounce off of that 20 area of support for the VIX. So the market comes up to about 4,200, 4,150 area. The VIX would come down to 20, and that could be lights out for this market. So those are the possible scenarios for this market. They have not done a pullback yet, so they just made a higher low and another higher low. So we need some type of retracement of this move if the move is real. So the push up on this market has not confirmed yet. So be careful trading this market, man. I keep you guys posted, man. Like and subscribe to the channel, man, so we can promote this content. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.